And these are exclusive images that India Today gets you. Neeraj Chopra inside the aircraft. This is where the players are coming in. India Today gets you these exclusive images from inside the aircraft. And what a moment for Subedar Neeraj Chopra. Now his journey, and we've been speaking to those who've trained him, trained with him, and have been a part of his journey, and they absolutely insist he had his eyes firmly fixed on gold. I want to bring gold for India was his constant refrain, and he kept telling his coaches that just tell me whoever is doing well, what is his target, what is he achieving, is he getting 85 meters, 86 meters, 90 meters, and I will do better. That was his constant effort, whether it was undergoing training here in India or undergoing training in Germany or undergoing training in Sweden. He did a better part of his training in Sweden in the past 2 years. More images coming in, more ground information coming in. Look at the celebration on ground. Preeti Chaudhary, Rahul Rawat, Mosmi Singh reporting from both inside and outside the airport. And Preeti, once again, these are images that are inspiring the next generation of sportspersons like that father who brought his two daughters aged 9 and 6, and they want to pick up athletics.
गौरव, if you can hear me, कहाँ से आए हैं आप सर?
हरियाणा सोनीपत।
हरियाणा सोनीपत। किसके लिए आए हैं?
बजरंग पुनिया।
बजरंग पुनिया। आप सबके सब पहलवान हैं?
हाँ जी।
स्पोर्ट्समैन है सब।
सारे स्पोर्ट्समैन हैं। सारे स्पोर्ट्समैन हरियाणा के शेर हैं।
हरियाणा के शेर हो।
हाँ। मैं कहना चाहूँगा मेहनत उनकी तरफदार होती है।
Okay, he couldn't complete because they are allowed to go inside. They want to welcome him. So that's the wrestling contingent from Sonipat. Everyone has got their own band. It's like a... All right, so there you have it. Okay, I think I've just gone deaf. I'll come back because we just had the band playing to our microphone. They're going to come back to you in 2 minutes, but these visuals are of the wrestling contingent, all of them sportsperson from the Chhatrasal Stadium that have come to welcome Ravi Dahiya and Bajrang Punia.
The wrestlers, and this was, Rahul Rawat, our colleague's conversation with Bajrang Punia, and earlier, of course, with Ravi Dahiya. This conversation was all about respecting your guru, respecting your coach, your guide, and then giving to the next generation. And Preeti and Mosmi and Rahul, if you can hear me, this is absolutely so heartening. Okay, let's listen in chants of Bharat Mata Ki Jai as our players come out of the airport. Let's listen in.
Gaurav, these are the wrestling guys who are standing outside from the Chhatrasal Stadium. Ones who are chanting Bharat Mata Ki Jai. All of them have come in. Village from both these boys. You have Neeraj Chopra's village. You have the Wrestling Federation. You have people from all walks of life who have come in there. Each one of them wants to be the first to welcome their prized boy. So, everybody's scrambling for space, but I've never seen something like this. And let's hope, for whoever is watching this across, because these visuals are beaming across the country. This is hope. This is hope for each and every sport.
They're not letting Neeraj Chopra walk. They've lifted him. They've lifted Neeraj Chopra. His friends, his fans, they lifted him for a moment, and now everybody wants a selfie with Neeraj Chopra. And not just with Neeraj Chopra. As we see the wrestlers walk out, people want selfies, whether it's with Bajrang Punia or with Ravi Dahiya or young Lavlina Borgohain. I mean, she boxed her way to that bronze medal, Lavlina Borgohain. And then, of course, Manpreet Singh and his boys, when the hockey team walks out, or Rani Rampal and the girls, they've done the nation proud. The hockey team, the men's hockey team, after the 1980 Moscow gold, it's the bronze here at Tokyo. And look at the celebrations that are taking place. Mosmi, if you can hear me, above the dhol and the nagaras that are playing, all the dhols outside. Describe to us the scenes at the airport, Mosmi.